Yeah, boys, you already know, got the new controller for the ps4. We're about to break it. Let's go. Let's go, boy. Ah! I freaking lost this fool. Oh my god. It's your boy, Skinny Penis. Ha ha ha. That's hot. That's hot. Oh ha ha. That's hot. What's this? What's that? Fuck out of my face. Let's go beat it on the damn fence. He's probably gonna report me for child abuse, but I don't care. I'm gonna be super disrespectful and just drag it around too. Come on, let's go for a walk, buddy. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a little walk. Oh, ha, ha. That's hot. That's hot. Ah. That's hot. Get the fuck out of my face. You ready? Oh. It's stuck. Fucking stuck. Hey. Oh my god. I just fucked it. I just fucked him. Right in the pussy. You can see all the insides. Let's fucking get it. Hey boys, that's hot. Now that's hot right there. That's fucking hot. That's fucking hot, boys. Let's fucking go. Mission accomplished.